Please
Good evening,
introduce
sir.
yourself.
My name is Saurabh Parmar. I belong from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I
Okay.
have cleared IBPS RRB in 2015 and got selected as an assistant manager in Madhya Pradesh Gramin Bank.
Okay.
I am currently posted in Regional Office Mandla and handling Asset Recovery Department. My job is to monitor loan account and to assist branches in recovery operation and also to complete the MIS requirements of the bank.
Okay.
I have done my bachelor in engineering from Lakshmi Narayan College of Technology and Science. My strengths are problem solving attitude, mathematical and analytical skills, hard work. My hobby is traveling. In my family, my father is in Indian Railway. My mother is homemaker. My wife also works in Indian Railway. Thank you.
Okay, Saurabh. Saurabh I just want to say something about you. You have mentioned about priority sector, right? Are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
You have mentioned about priority sector. Can you define what is the criteria for setting or priority sector target?
Sir, basically, priority sector into several categories. That is,
I'm asking
we
about
give
what
loan to agriculture sector.
To set. This is what he is basically wanted to know.
Sir, pardon, your voice is not coming, sir.
Saurabh I'm asking about priority sector lending target has been defined by RBI. Okay. What is the basis for that giving the target to banks? Suppose that SBI has a lending total business is more than 200 crore lakhs. Okay. And suppose that some banks has 100.
Hello, sir, am I audible?
No, your voice is not getting clearly.
Yes,
now I'm audible, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, answer to the your question is that बैंक प्राइवेटी सेक्टर में लैंड इसलिए करता है क्योंकि आरबीआई ने ये नॉर्म्स इसलिए सेट करके रखे हैं कि
बैंक sorry Saurabh, I want to interrupt you. Without granting permission, don't change your language first.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, Saurabh ji, are you comfortable in Hindi? Are you comfortable
in
Hindi?
Yes, sir. Can I speak in Hindi?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर बैंकों को आरबीआई ने प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर में लैंड करने के लिए इसलिए ये क्राइटेरिया बनाया है कि कुछ ऐसे नीडी सेक्टर्स है और वीकर सेक्शन है सोसाइटी में जिनको लैंड किया जाना जरूरी है और सबको क्रेडिट मिलने के लिए इक्वली अधिकार है, इसलिए ये नॉर्म सेट किए गए हैं कि इन सब में इन सेक्टर में क्रेडिट दिया जा सके।
Okay, how much priority sector loan or percentage is compulsory for commercial bank? What is the percentage? If suppose your bank is doing 100 crore corpus business in one financial year, so out of 100 crore rupees business, sort of out of 100 rupees crore business, what is the amount has to be disbursed under priority sector loan? Saurabh, I think there is some net issue with you. Number of times.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is 40% of ANBC.
Okay.
Okay, that's the answer I want
This is what we basically wanted to know. What is the percentage, right? It's, are you confirmed?
Okay,
40% of ANBC?
Sir, yes, sir. 40% of ANBC for commercial bank and 75% of ANBC for
Can you
RRB.
please define what is ANBC is? Can you please define?
Sir, it is adjusted net bank credit.
Very good, excellent.
It is exposure of bank against its deposit in credit, sir.
Okay.
Okay, Saurabh, this is the right answer. The bank gives the priority sector target on the basis of A and BC, adjusted net bank rate. Okay. My next question is to you. You have mentioned about housing loan, 25 lakhs, 35 lakhs, whatever you have mentioned, both of 35 lakhs in metropolitan city and 25 lakhs in city and other cities. Is there any criteria for setting of priority sector in housing loan? Any criteria? Just other than loan and amount?
I am unable to recall it now, sir. I have read it, but I am unable to recall it, sir.
Have you heard about dwelling unit?
No, sir.
Suppose that one customer has come to your branch and asked that I want to take loan of 35 lakh. Okay, but the dwelling
Yes,
unit
sir.
is more than 50 lakh. Is this loan is count in the priority sector?
No, sir.
Why?
Why so?
Because the loan up till 35 lakhs should be counted in priority sector, sir.
Okay. But I have mentioned that the 35 lakh is the loan amount. So you have to mention in the priority sector account.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Saurabh, the desk which is handling by you is basically asset recovery, I think, right?
Okay, asset
Yes,
recovery.
Sir. Asset recovery. So can
Yes,
you
sir.
define the asset and liability of the bank?
Sir, liability of the bank are like liabilities of the bank are which bank have to repay on the demand of the customer, like saving bank deposit, recurring deposits, fixed deposit. Whereas
Number of times I think you must have gone through the concept that is called NDTL. So what basically NDTL is?
sir, it is net demand and time liability of a bank. In this, there are certain demand liability and there are certain time liabilities. Like in demand liabilities, we include saving bank deposit, current bank account. In time liabilities, we include fixed deposits, recurring deposits, which are payable on after a certain period of time.
Okay, good. Okay, Saurabh, thank you. Anna, all the best for your next round and final round of interview, right?
IBC code to faster the recovery process. IBC mainly is when divided into two parts. One is regulator, that is Insolvency Bankruptcy Board of India. Another is adjudicators, that are NCLT and DRT. For corporate client, we go for corporate client loans, we go to NCLT, and for individual, we go to DRT.
If there is any amount fixed for such minimum amount for NCLT cases?
Yes, sir. Recently, amendment came. Now we can go to for loan amount above 1 crore, we apply Insolvency Bankruptcy Code of India.
Right. Very good.
Thank you, Ratik. I think we should conclude with your feedback to Saurabh.
सौरभ जी के बारे में मैं हिंदी में बोलूंगा कि वो हिंदी में जानना चाहते हैं. सौरभ जी, आप लर्निंग से जा रहे हैं, आप जिस वर्क फील्ड में काम कर रहे हैं उसमें आपकी नॉलेज अच्छी होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि जो क्वेश्चंस आपके आएंगे वो आपके बेसिकली जो आप काम करते हो डेस्क से ही आने. लेकिन जो एक जनरल वर्क है, जो प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर आपने मेंशन किया, या क्रेडिट का है, तो वर्किंग कैपिटल कैसे डिसाइड करना है, ये सब आपको भी नॉलेज होनी चाहिए बीइंग ए सीबीओ. ठीक है, आप अच्छा कर रहे हैं और ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर इंटरव्यू.
Okay, sir. Final one line from me also. Your presentation was good, right? The gesture, posture, and the tone, which is very, very important while your interview and introduction and throughout your interview. So overall, it was good. sometimes what happened, I don't think कि आवाज के कारण ऐसा हुआ कि why, so I think मुझे ऐसा लगा कि क्वेश्चन को समझने में थोड़ी सी गलती आपसे हुई, या डोंट नो द रीजन, बट थोड़ा सा लेट मुझे लगता है कि आप क्वेश्चन को समझे कि एक्चुअली हम क्या चाह रहे हैं या सामने वाला क्या चाह रहा है, तो थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे आप
वो पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन में सर बार बार वो डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा था सर।
अदरवाइज ओवरऑल आई थिंक यू आर गुड. आउट ऑफ 10 I will be giving you 6 marks.
Okay sir, still I am lagging means.
Yes, we are having another mock session tomorrow also, so we will be sharing.
Sir, only one question I am still having, sir. Sir, now this can I wear now, sir? It is not too bright.
I already have given you the thumbs up on your WhatsApp, right? Okay. This will be okay, right? Thank you so much, Saurabh.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.